Hi friends, here we have to find coefficient of x power 18 1 plus x times 1 minus x whole power 10 times 1 plus x square whole power 9. Here in this problem we have a small hint also. What is that hint? 1 minus x times 1 plus x square. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus a square plus ab plus b square. Right. What is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square? It is a cube minus b cube. Right. Let us try to use that and reduce these three terms to two terms. Then it will become easy for us to identify what is the coefficient of x power 18. Right. This 1 minus x power 10, let us split into 1 minus x into 1 minus x power 9. Right. Let us split it like this 1 minus x into 1 minus x power 9. And that 1 minus x power 9, let us combine with this second term. Right. And let us send that 1 minus x whole power 9 inside. And this part will become, then this entire equation will become 1 minus x into 1 minus x into 1 minus x and 1 plus x square whole power 9. Right. Why we are doing this? Because we want to convert this into 1 cube minus x. Right. So this becomes this entire part. This becomes 1 minus x cube whole power 9. Right. This part will become like this. And what is with these two terms? These two terms, they will become 1 minus x square. 1 plus x into 1 minus x. These two will become 1 minus x square. And we have 1 minus x cube whole power 9. Now we want coefficient of x power 18 in both of this. So 1 minus x cube power 9. If we expand this in terms of binomial expansion, we'll get x cube, we'll get x cube, x power 6, x power 9, x power 12, whatever. Right? This because that is binomial expansion, x cube, because it's in the form of 1 plus y whole power 9. Right? Y square, y cube, y power 4 till y power 9 we can get. So that means x cube whole power 2. That is x power 6, x power 9, x power 12. These all terms will get. Right. Now, if you want x power 18 of this both product, then we want x power 18 of this product. 1 into x power 18 of this product. Whatever coefficient of 1 into coefficient of x power 18. Right. That is that one. And when we get x power 16 in this expansion, if we get x power 16 in this expansion, then this minus x square into that coefficient of this minus 1, right? X square into that x power 16 will again make x power 18. So that coefficient, that is this minus 1 into coefficient of x power 16, right? That is the total coefficient of x power 18, right? Whatever we directly get for x power 18 coefficient, and whatever we get for x power 16 minus this coefficient, right? Why minus? Because there is minus x square, right? Here the coefficient of x square is minus 1. So, and what this minus into whatever coefficient of x power 16 in this expansion, right? What is the coefficient of x power 18 in this expansion? X power 18 is x power 3 whole power 6, right? X power 3 whole power 6, right? Then that means what is the r plus 1th term? R plus 1th term in binomial expansion, it is NCR, and whatever y power r, right? If it is about 1 plus y whole power n, if it is 1 plus y whole power n, r plus 1 term is NCR y power r. So here when this this has to be x power 18, that means x cube whole power 6, that means 9c6 will be the coefficient, right? 9c6 is x power 8's coefficient. One is 9c6, right? And x power 16, is there any way? Because we get in terms of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16 is definitely not a multiple of 3. So there is no way x power 3 when raised to any integer power, it will end in 16. It will be raised to 16. There is no way, right? Because 16 is not a multiple of 3. Right. So obviously in this expansion, there is no term called x power 16. We get only x power 3, 6, 9, 12 and all. So we are left with only x power 18 only. There is a term called x power 18, And what is the coefficient of that term? X power 18. X power 18 means this has been raised to power 6. So R is actually 6, while N is 9. C and R is actually 6 because x cube is raised 6 times. So NC6 is the coefficient of x power 18 in this. Right. What is NC6? N factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. What is this? 9 into 8 into 7. The 6 factorial we can cancel by 3 into 2, which becomes 84. So 84 is the final answer. Only thing, we just reduce these three terms into two terms so that it becomes easy, and try to find out what is the coefficient of x power 18, 1 minus x cube whole power 9. Let x power 18 will come, but x power 16 will not come. Why x power 16 will not come? Because 16 is not a multiple of 3. 1 minus x cube whole power 9 will have x terms like x cube, x power 6, x power 9, x power 12, and x power 27, right? We'll have these kind of terms. Plus, minus, anything can happen. But there is no way this will this will have a term like x power 16. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. This is a nice problem. Almost straightforward. That just that we need to uh, understand the hint here that 1 minus x and 1 plus x squared, and be able to simplify this. Right, guys? Thank you.